So my name's Javier Sanchez. I'm taking the Technology 1010 course. And the topic that I chose that I really liked, that I learned about this past semester, was the virtual reality. As I can remember, virtual reality really started picking up around the year 2010, 2009, especially with Google using Google Cardboard and incorporating it in its apps. And then many other big companies like Oculus, PlayStation, HTC, and various other ones really coming into the mix, trying to create this software and these programs and these devices to help create this virtual reality world, games and such. And in recent years, we've seen many great improvements. Virtual reality initially started in the mid to late 1990s. When big companies, gaming companies started to create games using this technology, and now today it's crazy to see how far it has come and how many different uses now there are using virtual reality. Virtual reality has many uses, and from a business perspective, it can also bring in a lot of revenue for many companies. One prime example is Oculus, who partnered with the NBA, and using their VR technology, people who have this device now can basically be courtside of an actual basketball game and feel like you're actually there. And this technology is just becoming more accessible, and it's not just for gaming like it was previously. Now it's being used as for entertainment. Virtual reality can also be used for educational and training purposes. For example, in the workplace, sometimes there may be, certain, scenarios or certain tasks that may be somewhat dangerous. But with this virtual reality, it can make it so, they can get the training that they need. They can physically be somewhere that may be dangerous, but not have that danger factor, because it's all just virtual reality, and it can help employees or people trying to learn for educational purposes to learn at a faster rate. And something else that's been pretty big lately is virtual reality, with considering travel and tourism, being able to virtually be at a destination that you've always wanted to go. It's kind of like you can try it before you buy this experience, and this allows for people to get a better idea of where they're going and if they're actually going to like the place before they go. Many places are offering virtual tours of like hotels, beaches, hikes, resorts, and all this it helps the consumer feel better about their purchase, or see if this is actually a trip they want to go to. I think virtual reality has a very promising future, one that will help us in our development, in our progression as a society. It helps bring experiences at a very, very tiny fraction of what it would cost to actually do something, whether that be a trip or some type of simulation or training that could possibly have life-threatening situations that could occur, but you're able to experience these things without that that danger being present. I think in today's day, there's people looking for virtual reality for these experiences, and I think they'll play a huge role on the way we learn and do things in the future.